The explanation for meta-director or meta-directing group. Here also we are considering two factors. One is resonance and another is stability of reactive intermediate, which is formed after the attack of an electrophile in the first step. I have taken here two examples. One is nitrobenzene and another is benzaldehyde. Because I think if I consider here, instead of these, general structure of the substituted benzene, then it will be somehow difficult to understand, because nitrobenzene, this nitro group having different kind of structure, and other groups of this category means meta-directors having different kind of structure. So I have taken one example where the nitrogen is attached to the benzene ring, and where I have taken another example where carbonyl carbon is present either in the acid, either in the ester, or either in the ketone, or either in aldehyde. So because of that, I have selected two different examples. Now first of all, we have to draw different resonating structures for two examples. So you specially prepare for nitrobenzene, because nitro group having somehow different structure, and it is somehow difficult to understand. Now you can see the electron density is going away from the benzene ring. So this bond is moving in between nitrogen and the carbon, and positive charge develops here. So once that positive charge is developed, you can rotate, you can delocalize that positive charge by just moving adjacent pi bond here to this carbon. So this positive charge is delocalized. After that, you can combine all these structures in the resonance hybrid, where you can show a dotted line for the partial positive, double and single bonds. So for moving of that double bond, you can show by using this dotted line. And for complete positive charge, because that positive charge is vanished in next structure, so there is no complete positive charge. So we have to draw here a partial positive charge. Now forget all these things. You just see here positive charge is there on ortho, 2 ortho and 1 para position. If incoming electrophile wants to join, so definitely it will not go at ortho and para position because of less electron density. So it will prefer rather to go at para position, because at meta position, because at meta position there is more electron density as compared to ortho and para position. You can see there is no positive charge, but because of positive charge there will be repulsion. So instead of that, it will prefer to go at meta position. So if this group is present, incoming electrophile will go at meta position because there is more electron density as compared to the ortho and para positions. Now similar kind of explanation you can provide for this example, where you just have to move one pi bond here outside the ring, because this is electron withdrawing group, and you can check here positive charge. Now once that positive charge is developed, you can easily draw different resonating structures. In fact, the final resonating structure is of no use because it is very similar to first one, and because of that I have not drawn that fourth resonating structure in case of nitrobenzene. Now you can draw the resonance hybrid, that means combination of all these structures. You can easily see here there is a positive charge at ortho position and para position. So incoming electrophile will prefer a meta position instead of ortho and para position because of more electron density. So hence you can provide this kind of explanation by the resonance, that the incoming electrophile prefers meta position rather than ortho and para position. We are considering stability of reactive intermediate, which is formed after the attack of electrophile in first step. Now for that purpose we are considering three possibilities. Ortho attack. For ortho attack we are removing this bond outside at ortho position. Which bond? I am showing by using different color. So if I remove this bond outside, you can watch here positive charge will develop here on this carbon. So you can delocalize, you can rotate that positive charge by just shifting pi bond from the adjacent position here in between these two carbon, here in between these two carbon. So the positive charge will change its position from this carbon to this carbon. So we get one more resonating structure. Similarly, you select the adjacent pi bond and put it here in between these two carbon here. So obviously this positive charge will move from this carbon to this carbon. So in this way we can draw three resonating structures, but out of these three I have kept one resonating structure in a box. Why? Because you can watch this structure carefully, where two positive charges on two adjacent atoms. Two positive charges on two adjacent atoms. So one positive charge on nitrogen, another positive charge on carbon, which are joined together. So this is destable. Destable means because of this situation, this resonating structure is unstable, which is having very least contribution, and because of this there are just two resonating structures. But if you consider meta attack, this kind of unstable or destabilized structure is not observed here. So you can consider three more stable as compared to this resonating structures formed after meta attack. Similar kind of destable or unstabilized structure you can observe for para attack, and hence incoming electrophile prefers meta position rather than ortho and para position because of these two structures. So this kind of explanation you can provide by considering stability of reactive intermediate. So you just have to change different functional group and draw the reactive intermediate. You will get this kind of structures in all in case of all groups which are meta directors, and you can provide explanation. Because of this, incoming electrophile prefers meta position rather than ortho position. So this is all about the stability, directive influence of incoming electrophile in case of if already substituent is there on the benzene ring, and we have divided these groups into ortho para director and meta director. So thank you.